Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. Now this video I'm gonna show you guys is the Forex market. Now this is my fun videos, guys. Know why? Because I don't have to recruit no one. Because I'm not selling the Forex. I'm just showing you guys how you can earn extra money without recruiting, guys, or a full-time income. That's my goal, at least. So I've been doing the Forex market for about 2 years now, right? Just on demo trades because I want to perfect it. I want to be so good at it before I put my real money into it. So I always learn different strategies, which one that I would like and I can follow and I'll be good at, right? Now, because I don't want to do 10 or 20 different strategies, guys, in the Forex market. You want to stick with that one. You're going to lose some trades, but you're going to win more, guys, because it's about risk management, guys, the Forex. So once you master the psychology of the Forex, that's how you win, guys. And I could have been trading, but I had other things because I do network marketing, I do affiliate marketing, I do a lot of things, and I do offline making money too, guys. So I just want to perfect it. So now, guys, this is gonna be my strategy, guys. I finally found my strategy. Okay, now I don't got a lot on my screen, but I got enough to confirm things, right? Now, if you look below, last I say like 5 days or something, I got a $50,000 demo account, and I'm up $73. Now, why is that, guys? Now, I want to share some of my strategies with you guys. So, if you do want to get into the Forex market, or if you are in the Forex market, this strategy might help you grow your business also, guys. So, let's go with it. Now, the first strategy I look at, this is a 4-hour time frame you're looking at right here. 4 hours, guys. And there's something about Australia and USD I like, I guess because I've been to Australia and I love Australia. So there's something about that country I love. You know what I mean? These other countries I've never been, like London and all that, I've never been there. So I don't know it, but I know Australia because I've been there twice. I've been to Perth, Australia, and I've been to Tasmania, Australia. And of course, I've been in the United States because I live here, right? All right, enough with that chat, right, guys? All right, let's get with the strategy that I'm using, guys. And I would say after I do by another 30 more trades, I'll look at the how many times I won, how many times I lost. And even if it's 50-50, but I'm always with the risk management, I'm always going for 1 and 2. So my stop loss would be 1, and then my win will always be 2, take profit, right? Or I'll just move my stop loss up, and you can do that, guys. All right, let's go with the strategy real quick. All right, guys, what you see with these 3 lines right here, you see this green line, this red line, and this blue line right here. This is called the alligator tool that we have in the tool thing right here, in the navigation right here. So you look at indicators right here, and this is on one of these things, but it's called alligator. All right, get that off the screen. So let me show you how the alligator works. Okay, when you see the green line go over this red line, you can get in the trade. But especially when you see it over the blue line, definitely get in a trade. But you gotta remember, indicators is slow, they slow lag. So that's why I use my support and resistance, these lines right here. I'll show you that in a minute. So once you just support into the resistance, you'll know you can get a trade earlier than before this crossover is red and it's blue. Now, that's how you use the alligator, guys. And on a downtrend, you want to sell when this green line go over the red and then the blue. But I say it's lag, you see. So I would probably got in this trade around here sometime, right here. because I'll use my support and resistance to help me, determine to get in the trade before even the alligator cross over, because you'll lose a lot of pips because this tool will lag. So you don't want to lose no money out this, right? All right. So this is the first tool I use to help me determine what direction the trade going in, guys. Up, up, or going down, guys. All right. The second thing I look at is I see the directions of the candles. It's definitely an uptrend, guys. So you know it's an uptrend, right? You know it's an uptrend. Okay, third thing I'll look at is where's the highs? Right here, guys, on the 4-hour chart. Now I could scalp, but I don't got time to be watching the Forex every 5-10 minutes, guys. That's why I pick 4 hours. That's my good time because I can just chill and come back after 4 hours and see what's happening. So we know it's an uptrend. Okay. The third thing I use is the resistance lines right here. I got a lot of lines right here, guys. I don't know why, but I got a lot of lines right here. So I know it go over this line right here, this top resistant line right here. A possibility can be an uptrend, guys. But if it passed these lines right here, the highs right here, the highest in the 4-hour chart, I know I'm definitely gonna take the trade. Plus, I'll use my alligator lines right here. So you see this green line went over the red and about to go over the blue, and that's how I made $15. And I'm only betting 30 cents a pip, guys. So that's a lot of pips. This one I only bet 10 cents a pip, guys. So, so 10 times 6,000 cents. What's that? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's 60 pips, guys. So, what if I was betting $10? That's $600 right there I would have made, guys. So I'm just practicing with this little low budget right now, guys, to make sure I can confirm it. Okay. And then this is the support line right here, guys. Now I know it hit the support 1, 2, broke it a little bit, but went back up. 5, broke a little bit, but stayed on this line right here. And I'll tell you that real quick. It went right here, 6, 7, and then it went back up. And I got in the trade somewhere right here, guys. Right here, then it rolled back up. I got out of the trade because I don't know what it's gonna do because it almost touched my resistance line. So I'm gonna wait and see what it's gonna do. If it's gonna break my resistance line or it's gonna not. And then show a red bar on the sell side over the last low right here. I'll get in the trade and ride it back down to somewhere right here, guys, and get like 40, 50 pips real quick again. Okay, that's another way I a strategy I use. I think I'm on like 5 strategy right now. This right here is called a trend line, guys. I told you earlier that it's an uptrend, so it hit it so many times, so it might want to come back and ride up on the trend. So I might wait on that and see. So that's another way I determine trades. And then the last way, guys, I do is a moving average right here, guys. And it's the 200 moving average. When the 200 moving average is below the trend on the high end going for a buy, it's pushing upwards. But when this moving average is above this, it's a downtrend, guys. All right, guys. A little bit about how I want to do my forex strategy, guys. I just showed you like 5 or 6 things that I will confirm before I enter this trade, and I'm gonna start trading live maybe another 2 more weeks, guys. I'm gonna probably put like a stack into my broker account, and then I'm only betting like maybe 50 cents a pip. To try to grow my broker account, by at least 30 to 40%, every month, and so that's a good investment, 1,000 to 1,400. But something about the forex, guys, and to be honest with you, is compound interest, guys. So I'm compounding, because I'm gonna shoot for that for every whatever my account is. You know what I mean? So hopefully in 1 year I have maybe $30,000 or $40,000 in my broker account. Then I can bet $10 a pip, guys. Because the number one thing you want to always remember, guys, before I end this video, is risk management. You should never use no more than 2% per trade of how much money you have in your account. So $1,000, I can risk $20. So how many pips is based on how much you want to spend on the pip. So I would spend 50 cents so I can risk, the most 40 pips. So I can stay in the trade. But at the beginning, guys, I'm not gonna risk 2%. I'm gonna risk 1%. So at the beginning stage, I'm gonna risk 1% of 1,000. That's $10. So even with if I only bet 10 cents a pip, I can risk $10. And $10, I can be, that's 100 pips, guys. If I bet 10 cents, and I ain't gonna lose. I don't think I never lose 100 pips like that. But with all my strategies, guys. But I might go like, I don't know. The first trade I might do is like 20 cents or something. But guys, this is the Forex, guys. I'm not no expert. There's always a risk in the Forex game, guys. But if you have the instruments, the psychology number two, and the risk management, and you're only risking 1% of your broker account, it's you have a lot. You got 99 more times, guys, to get it right. All right, guys. Once again, this is your friend Adrian. Always, just want to give y'all update with this Forex market. Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. Another powerful, strong video. I want to show you in this video, guys, how you can make $100 a day passive income that multiply every day like that, guys, in this video for free. You know words that I want you to remember in your spirit, for free. Because I'm going to give you this system for 14 days for free, guys. And I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you could promote this business by giving to people for free. 10 people a day, guys. Give them something for free. 4 people upgrade, that's $100 a day. The next day, 4 people upgrade, that's another $100 a day. So I'm going to show you guys for free what you can do. Stop playing checkers and start playing chess. All right, guys. So let's go with this video real quick. All right. First way you can promote a free business for 14 days, and they get all the training, everything they need to make money, is your personal Facebook page, guys. This is my personal Facebook page. I don't do it too much on my page, but I teach people different ways how to make money, songs, and of course my food. You know what I mean? I love my crab legs right there. You can see, say right there, I love my crab legs. All right, second way you can do it is advertise in Facebook groups. These is groups right here, guys. This is one group I'm part of. Advertise your. Okay, the third way you can do is make YouTube videos to make the $100 a day with my business that you gonna need, guys. See all the videos I've been making on your business. So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay. The fourth way, guys, free, is traffic ad bar, guys. I got over 4,633 hits. Part of the Conversion Pros, guys. This is a marketing system that I've been in for like about 2 or 3 years, guys, and I love it. But if you want the Conversion Pros training videos to how to make money as affiliate training, watch these videos, guys. And we got a lot more videos. In this video, I want to tell you this, guys. You give 10 people a day a free marketing system that have an autoresponder, broadcasting, all unlimited, guys. Link rotator, tiny URL, everything that a business need and more, guys. Leads in the back office that you can buy, guys, and call these people that's looking for business. Everything you need in your back office, right? Now, this marketing system is free for 14 days. So try it out. You got nothing to lose but to win. If you don't like it, then don't pay for it, guys. But at the end of the day, if you want to save money, especially with this corona stuff going on right now, if you want to save money and have all your marketing system, everything you need, you don't gotta buy separate. You need this Conversion Pros. Now after 14 days, it'll cost $50 a month. But guess what? You get 2 people in this business, it's free. You got a free marketing system, guys. Who say no to free? It's 14 days free. No credit card required, guys. So I want to end this video with this, guys. I just showed you 5 different ways how to get people in for free. You can also have payway. So if you want this marketing system, guys, make sure you subscribe to my video. Yeah. And I am out. Peace and love from your boy Adrian Ramsey. Love.